Hey guys, so in today's video we're gonna be quitting our jobs and flying to Korea. And if you stay until the end, I'll show you what I'm working on. Let's go.
Another lovely day at the JOB, where everything's so predictable and comfy. We just gotta pretend like we're doing something important. Stay awake, stay awake. Is it time to leave yet? Guess not. How much longer of this torture do we have to endure? Why are we watching this? Is something gonna happen or what? Our attention span is reaching its limits. Let's go on social media. Oh, wait, guys. Something's about to happen. What's happening?
I'm done.
She's done with what?
I'm done. Enough is enough.
What does she mean by that?
I can't do this
Why is she
anymore.
pulling a K-drama moment right now?
I can't.
What is she doing?
We're quitting.
Oh, okay. I guess we're quitting. Oh, alright. It's happening too fast. Okay. Resignation letter. Okay, nice. Oh my god. What is this? 2 weeks notice? If I were her, I would have quit on the spot.
I guess this is happening. My heart is about to explode.
This is it, guys.
Oh my god, is this the
Don't
right
do
thing
it.
to do?
Don't
This is a
open that
mistake.
door.
Has to
Don't
be a
stay
mistake.
in your comfort zone.
No.
You
Don't
need
do
change.
it.
Stay there.
Oh my god.
Don't.
Oh my god, what's happening?
She's not listening, guys. I guess this is the moment of truth. I'm just gonna watch this thing unfold.
Oh my god, guys, we did it. We quit our jobs. Yes! Let's tell future self what we did today, and maybe we'll take a look at what she's making. What's this? Open it? Okay. You quit your job? Nice, congratulations. Do you know where you go next? Alright, you should probably figure that out and come back to me. I'm still working on this. So go. Don't waste time. Okay guys, you heard her. We got homework to do. Okay guys, now that we know where to go, which is South Korea, and when we're leaving, which is about 2 weeks, we need to figure out a better money situation right now, okay? I know we have some savings, but that's not gonna cut it if we wanna be out there for 6 months or maybe a year. So, any ideas? That's a good idea, okay. All right, that's what we're doing. We're selling the car next, and then we're gonna be ready to go, pack and leave. Well, yeah, I know, I'm worried about her too, but future's me problems are future's me problems, you know? Not mine. All right, let's go. Oh my god, guys, we did it. We're in South Korea right now. Oh my god, yes, I know. You're excited. Yes, me too. So there's one issue though. We don't have any internet. The SIM card that we brought from home, it's not working right now, and I don't know why. So yeah, we're gonna have to deal with that if we wanna be home safely. But at least we're here, right?
So she just made us quit our job, go to the other side of the globe, and now we don't have communication with the world? Great.
Alright guys, now that you have your newfound freedom and you're in a new country, it's time for you to like this video and subscribe. And as promised, let me show you what I've been working on.